Hello learners, this is Habeeba with Excelwithme. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Let's start today's class, that is Central Teacher Eligibility Test CTET Paper 2 Social Science Geography Class 6 NCERT, the Earth or Habitat. In the previous class we have done 20 questions, important. Now we are going to do the other set of the 20 questions of chapters from 5th to 8th. Question number 1. Edmund Hillary from New Zealand and Tenzing Norgay Sherpa from India were the first men to climb the highest mountain peak, Mount Everest, on the planet Earth on option A 29th May 1950, option B 29th May 1951, option C 29th May 1952, option D 29th May 1953. Answer 29th May 1953. Next question. State the correct meanings in the Greek language. Lithos means stone, atmos means vapor, hudor means water, bios means life. Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C 1, 2, 3 are correct, option D all the 4 statements are correct. Correct answer, all the 4 statements are correct, like lithos means stone, atmosphere means vapor, hudor means water, bios means life. Next question, match the following. These are the layers of the earth. Let's understand your lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere. Solid portion of the earth, water covers a very big area of the earth's surface, contains all forms of life, gaseous layers that surround the earth. Correct answer, option B 1, that is A, lithosphere, solid portion of the earth, 2, atmosphere, that is D, gaseous layers that surround the earth, 3, hydrosphere, that is B, water covers a very big area of the earth's surface, biosphere, that is option C, contains all forms of life. Next question, the first Indian woman to climb the highest peak on 23rd May 1984 was option A Bachendri Pal, B Tenzing Norgay Sherpa, C Priyanka Mohite, D Premalata Agarwal. Sorry, here Indian women we asked and by mistake got the option Tenzing Norgay Sherpa. So correct answer is Bachendri Pal. Bachendri Pal was the first Indian woman to climb the highest peak on 23rd May 1984. Next question, state the true statement or statements. Number 1, Africa is the only continent through which the Tropic of Cancer, the Equator and the Tropic of Capricorn pass. Second, the world's longest river, the Nile, flows through Africa. Third, the Sahara Desert, the world's largest hot desert, is located in Africa. Option A 1, 2, 3. All the 3 statements are true. Option B 1 and 2. Option C 2 and 3. Option D 1 and 3. Correct answer, all the 3 statements are correct. Very important statements. Next question, statements whether true or false. Now Mauna Kea, that is Hawaii in the Pacific Ocean, is an undersea mountain. It is higher than Mount Everest, being 10,205 meters high. Option A 1 is true and 2 is false. Option B 1 is false and 2 is true. Option C both are true. Option D both are false. Correct answer, option C both are true. Mauna Kea, Hawaii in the Pacific Ocean, is an undersea mountain and it is higher than the Mount Everest, being 10,205 meters high. Next question, which is one of the oldest fold mountain systems in the world? Option A, the Aravalli range in India. Option B, Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa. Option C, Mount Fujiyama in Japan. Option D, Vosges mountain in Europe. Correct answer, the Aravalli range in India. Next question, what are created when large areas are broken and displaced vertically? Option A, fold mountains. Option B, block mountains. Option C, volcanic mountains. Option D, the lava plateau. Correct answer, block mountains are created when large areas are broken and displaced vertically. Next question, in India, huge reserves of iron, coal and manganese are found in option A, Mewar Plateau, option B, Deccan Plateau, option C, Indo-Gangetic Plains, option D, Chota Nagpur Plateau. Correct answer, option D, Chota Nagpur Plateau. Next question, which is the highest plateau in the world with a height of 4,000 to 6,000 meters above the mean sea level? Option A, Tibet Plateau, option B, East African Plateau, option C, Western Plateau, option D, Deccan Plateau. Correct answer, option A, Tibet Plateau. Next question, the sun rises about 2 hours earlier. Option A, in the east Arunachal Pradesh than in the west Gujarat. Option B, in the east Assam than in the west Gujarat. Option C, in the west Gujarat than in the east Arunachal Pradesh. Option D, in the west Gujarat than in the east Assam. Correct answer, the sun rises about 2 hours earlier in the east Arunachal Pradesh than in the west Gujarat. Question number 12, what is separated from India by the Pak Strait? Option A, Bangladesh, option B, Sri Lanka, option C, Nepal, option D, Myanmar. Correct answer, Sri Lanka. What is formed where the Ganga and Brahmaputra flow into the Bay of Bengal? Option A, the Sundarban Delta, option B, Lakshadweep Islands, option C, Eastern Coastal Plains, option D, the Western Ghats. Option A is the correct answer, the Sundarban Delta. Now find the correct statement or statements about the peninsular plateau. The Vindhyas and the Satpuras are the important ranges. The rivers Narmada and Tapi flow through these ranges. These are west flowing rivers that drain into the Arabian Sea. The Western Ghats or Sahyadri border the plateau in the west, and the Eastern Ghats provide the eastern boundary. Option A, 1, 2, 3 are correct. Option B, 2, 3, 4 are correct. Option C, 1, 3, 4 are correct. Option D, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the 4 are correct. Correct answer, all the 4 are correct. Next question, how many countries share land boundaries with India? Option A, 5, option B, 6, option C, 7, option D, 8. Correct answer, option C, 7. Next question, every year when do we observe Wildlife Week to create awareness of the need to conserve the habitats of the animal kingdom? Option A, in the first week of October, option B, in the last week of October, option C, in the first week of November, option D, in the last week of November. Correct answer, in the first week of October. Next question, name the smallest migratory bird weighing as low as 15 grams from the Arctic region that travels over 8,000 kilometers to reach India. Option A, little stint, option B, Calliope hummingbird, option C, Arctic tern, option D, bar-tailed godwit. Correct answer, little stint, option A. Next question, state whether true or false. Mawsynram in Meghalaya receives the world's highest rainfall, while in a particular year it might not rain at all in Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. Option A, 1 is true and 2 is false. Option B, 1 is false, 2 is true. Option C, both are true. Option D, both are false. Correct answer, both are true. Mawsynram in Meghalaya receives the world's highest rainfall, while in a particular year it might not rain at all in Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. Next question, find the incorrect pair or spelling mistake here, P-A-I-R, pair or pairs. Option 1, Jaisalmer and Bikaner in the desert of Rajasthan are very hot. Dras and Kargil in Ladakh are freezing cold. Mumbai and Kolkata experience moderate climate. Option A, 1 and 2 are correct. Option B, 2 and 3 are correct. Option C, 1, 2, 3 are correct. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer, none of the above, because they are asking incorrect pair, but these are all correct pairs. Jaisalmer and Bikaner in the desert of Rajasthan are very hot. Dras and Kargil freezing cold. Mumbai and Kolkata moderate climate. These are correct options, but here question asked, we have to remember that they asked incorrect pairs. Question number 20, the last one. The climate of a place is affected by its option A, location, altitude, distance from the sea, relief. Option B, location, altitude, distance from the sea. Option C, altitude, distance from the sea, relief. Option D, location, altitude and relief. Here I might have made mistake in reading out. It will be so confusing, that's why we have to be very careful while reading the question. Now answer to the 20th question is option A, location, altitude, distance from the sea and relief. These are all the climate of a place is affected by its location, altitude, distance from the sea and relief, all the features. So we come to the end of this session. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for your attention and time. Happy learning. I will start with the next political and social life questions chapter wise in the next video. Happy learning again.